do you say, Tom? Why don't you just point a camera at me and expect me to say something like I'm a fucking clown?
Guys, check out our room. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Look at this.
Oh, here's that night.
Got the pisser. Nice fridge, microwave. Look at this. Ready? Natty's, Bud Light, Monster, Arnold Palmer's. Alright guys, I'm going to try and pick up the camera as much as possible. We're going to try and just vlog and get some videos done for you guys. So today's not a fishing day. We just got done with the backwater charter. Went good, but we're going to try and vlog, do some cool stuff, and I'll try and bring the camera around. But it's raining today, so we're going to go get some food. Probably won't bring the camera, but actually maybe we'll see. I don't know. Should I? What do you think? I'm not going to really do an intro. This is just a vlog, so I'll see you guys. Dad, we're going. All right, let's go ask the front desk for a trolley. What?
Last way.
Yeah. People look at me foreign with cameras.
Hi, does that trolley service do 2 tides?
Yes.
Oh, it does. Could we? Does it cost money?
No.
It doesn't. Okay, awesome. Can we get some? Yeah.
Ooh, banger of a song. Get in. How's it going, man?
Good, man. How you doing?
Pretty good.
Good.
A little rainy here, huh?
Feel damn. It's okay.
We're heading to the bar, but it's raining, so we didn't want to walk, and it's only about a 2-minute walk.
Yeah.
Hey, we appreciate it though.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
How fast do these things go?
About 25.
That's pretty decent.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Not as fast as you need to go in this thing.
No doubt. 25 around here, you're moving.
Yeah.
Holy shit, they're kind of packed. Thank you.
You're welcome.
There you go, sir. Thank you, man.
Thank you very much, guys.
How do I get out of here?
Just squeeze that handle.
This?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Thank you, man. Thank you. Cool looking dog.
Thanks.
2 colored eyes. Gotta get the floater. What are you doing?
Bet the over because, like I said, I'm in my element. Before you know it, we'll be $100 down.
Down that. 5, 4,
I'm gonna have to
3,
go straw.
2, 1, go. Oh,
So cold.
soft. Polanski lost more money. That's why you don't bet.
Why not?
You're gonna start crying?
Not if I win this Kansas game.
Alright guys, so we were supposed to have a Goliath grouper charter today, but he pushed it off till Tuesday. So tomorrow we got the sailfish, and then the next day will be the Goliath grouper, like shipwreck fishing. After the Goliath grouper charter got pushed back, I guess one of his first mates got like fish poisoning, so we tried calling some other charters that catch a lot of fish charters, and we were waiting on a response. He was going to take us out for the afternoon session, so we were able to get out today because of the cancellation, but he could not. So instead of going fishing today, we're gonna be doing some vlogging and just kind of screwing around the Florida Keys. So I hope you guys enjoy the episode, and let's go. All right guys, we're showing you around the resort. We're gonna go fly the drone down by the beach. Dang, this is so nice. Look how clear the water is. Heads up, jellyfish. Yeah, that guy fucks. All right, Pete, what are we doing?
Well, we're about to eat at Wahoo's Bar Grill.
What are you getting, Pete?
I don't know.
This place is pretty sweet. All right, guys, so we checked out that place. That was called Wahoo's. We just had a quick beer in there. We're gonna go to another restaurant called like Hog's Heaven or something. So, what? Really? Oh, that fawn color? Yeah. But yeah, we're just kind of like checking out restaurants, exploring the Florida Keys. Like I said, fun to be here with my dad and Pistol P. And we're gonna explore the Keys. Hopefully feed some tarpon today, and like I said, hopefully this vlog goes well. We're just trying to show you guys like all the ins and outs and go to different places and just experience the Keys. Guys, we're down here, the weather is beautiful, and we got 2 awesome charters coming up in the next 2 days, so. I don't have a heart. Thank you very much. What are you doing? We just got some food, had some fish tacos, and now we're gonna go feed some tarpon. Like I said, I'm not gonna like keep saying like we're doing this, we're doing that. I'm just kind of like trying to keep you guys updated. Still new to the vlog game, so we're gonna see how this goes. But we're just exploring Islamorada, and hopefully feeding these tarpons should be pretty cool.
It's about 14 minutes. What, 8 miles?
Yeah. Wow. Never drive like this.